Hello guys, this is Anjan here. Welcome to my channel. Let's get into it. Welcome back guys. Today I will be create a bootable USB drive easily and effectively. First open a browser and search for google.com, then type Ventoy and click on enter button. Go to Ventoy and go to new release Ventoy version 1.0.37. Go to Ventoy. If you have a Linux, if you can click on Linux or go to Windows and select Windows, and then scroll down and click on Windows .zip. When it is downloading, you can go to the downloads folder, and if you have any RAR file extractor, then it's okay, or you can use Windows built-in zip file extractor. When download is complete, just extract it into the desktop and open the folder. Now get your USB drive ready and put it in your USB hub. Now double click on Ventoy to DDX. There will be a pop-up. Click on yes, then select the pen drive you want to install. Click on yes, click on OK, and it will be installed after some time. Now go to your PC and get the OS files that you want to make bootable. Select them and copy to the vendor disk, which you can find in this PC, and that's it. It's now already had bootable. Just wait for it some time to copy it. When the process is completed, go to the boot menu and select your pen drive, click on enter. Then you can see the vendor menu, and there will be all of the ways that either Linux or Windows, doesn't matter. You can install them easily. Thank you for watching, guys.